Are you looking for the best camping grill stoves for outdoor cooking adventures? A good camping grill stove transforms your outdoor adventure. It provides a practical and efficient way to cook your meals. Different stoves offer various features. Some are lightweight, while others provide robust cooking power. Portability is key for backpackers. Meanwhile, car campers might prefer larger, more versatile options. List number 1, Camping Stove, 2-burner propane stove with grill. Experience the joy of outdoor cooking with the 2-burner propane camping stove. Perfect for tailgating, BBQs, and camping. Its 17,000 BTU power ensures quick and efficient cooking. Comes with a convenient foldable design and a carry bag. Includes a windscreen and grill for versatile cooking options. Adjustable burners and easy piezo ignition make it user-friendly. Advantages: enjoy easy cooking with the dual burners for multiple dishes. The powerful 17,000 BTU output ensures quick and efficient heating. Lightweight and foldable design makes it perfect for travel. Comes with a carry bag for effortless transportation. Adjustable burners offer precise temperature control for various recipes. List number 2, Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Camping Grill. Experience outdoor cooking like never before with the Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Camping Grill/Stove. This versatile grill offers 2 burners, making meal prep easy and fun. With 20,000 BTUs, it cooks food quickly and efficiently. Adjustable burners allow precise temperature control, so dishes turn out perfect. Ideal for camping trips, picnics, or backyard gatherings. Enjoy the convenience and performance of this compact cooking companion. Advantages: compact design makes it easy to carry on camping trips. Perfect for outdoor adventures. 2-in-1 feature offers both grilling and stove options. Cook a variety of meals. Adjustable burners provide control over cooking heat. Cook food just right. 20,000 BTUs ensure powerful cooking performance. Meals ready quickly. Propane fuel is easy to find and use. Convenient for campers. List number 3, Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove. Enjoy cooking outdoors with the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove. This portable camping cooktop offers 22,000 BTUs of power. 2 adjustable burners ensure precise cooking control. Sturdy wind guards keep the flame steady in breezy conditions. Compact design makes it easy to carry for camping trips. Perfect for preparing delicious meals in nature. Advantages: compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Perfect for camping trips. 2 adjustable burners offer precise control over cooking temperature. Cook like a pro. Wind guards ensure steady flame in breezy conditions. No more interruptions. Delivers 22,000 BTUs of power for fast cooking. Save time cooking. Durable construction promises long-lasting use. Built to withstand adventures. List number 4, Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner propane camping stove. Experience the convenience of the Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner propane camping stove. Its InstaStart ignition makes lighting easy. Cook multiple dishes with 2 adjustable burners. Wind guards keep your flame steady, even in breezy conditions. With 22,000 BTUs of power, cooking outdoors is a breeze. Advantages: cooking outdoors made simple with the Coleman Triton Plus camping stove. Its 22,000 BTUs ensure fast and efficient cooking. 2 adjustable burners offer precise control for perfect meals. Wind guards protect flames, allowing cooking in breezy conditions. InstaStart ignition provides hassle-free lighting without matches. Portable design makes it easy to carry and store. List number 5, Gas 1 GS 3400P propane or butane stove dual fuel stove portable camping stove. The Gas 1 GS 3400P stove offers versatile cooking with propane or butane fuel options. Its portability makes it ideal for camping trips and emergency preparedness. The patented design ensures reliable performance in any situation. Enjoy the convenience of a carrying case for easy transport and storage. This stove is a great addition to your outdoor gear or emergency kit. Advantages: offers dual fuel options for flexibility and convenience. Compact design ensures easy portability and storage. Ideal for emergency preparedness with reliable performance. Comes with a carrying case for hassle-free transport. Easy to set up and operate, perfect for camping trips.